So hello everyone. So this is the question from digital electronics, and here we have to find out the duty cycle of this V naught, this output V naught. We have to find out the duty cycle, and duty cycle is defined as T on upon T total. Means for how much uh, time the V naught is at logic one and upon total time. So first of all, we have to focus on the expression of this V naught in terms of this Q1, and यहाँ पर this is the clock connected and this is the NOT gate. So this है यहाँ पर this is the Q1. So after this NOT gate it will be Q1 bar, and here it is Q2 connected. This is the clock is connected here, so it is clock, and after this AND gate it is Q2 into clock, and this V naught will be finally the multiplication of these three, these two, that is Q1 bar and Q2 and clock. Now we have to draw the clock diagram for evaluating the for how much time the V naught is logic one and the total time period of this V naught waveform. So here this is the XOR gate. So here it is Q1 is connected. So यहाँ पर one XOR of Q1 हो जाएगा, and now we have to focus on the next state equation. And for D flip flop, the next state equation is simply equals to D. Q1 plus is equals to D, and D is equals to 1 XOR with Q1, and XOR gate always complements with one input, so it will be Q1 bar. So Q1 plus, which is the next state of Q1, which is equals to Q1 bar. Whenever the next state is the complement of the present state, it is known as the toggle mode. So toggle mode, and here this is the flip flop is connected with the positive edge. This is the positive edge triggering, and here this is the negative edge. Whenever this bubble is there, it is negative edge. So this is the positive edge triggering. This is positive edge triggering, and here it is negative edge triggering. And D flip flop is in toggling mode, means D flip flop will toggle at every positive edge. Will toggle at every positive edge of clock. Now second is the T flip flop, and whenever in T flip flop this T is connected to 1, it means the toggle mode. And how it is toggle mode, which is the next state of T flip flop is simply T XOR with Q2. So T is 1 and 1 XOR with Q2 will be Q2 bar. So Q2 plus is equals to Q2 bar, and this is the toggle mode. But यहाँ पर the T flip flop will toggle at every negative edge. T flip flop will toggle at every negative edge of clock. So we have to focus on both the edges of clock. So that's why I have drawn both edges. This is the positive edge, this is the negative edge, and by different colors, so for better clarity. And now first of all we draw the waveform for Q1. So Q1 will simply toggle at the positive edge. Q1 is the output of D flip flop, and it will toggle at the positive edge, so it will be drawn like this. First it is 0, then it will be 1 at the positive edge, then again 0, then 1, then 0. This is the toggling. So बस यहाँ तक ही काफी है. So this is the Q1, but we have to evaluate the Q1 bar for this output will be not. So Q1 bar will be simply complement. So this was 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This could be now 1, and complement of this will be like this: 0, then the 1, then 0, 1, 0, and so on. Now After that, Q2, which will toggle at the negative edge, means at this red line. So Q2 will be like this. Say this is say, and after this one, and so this is Q2, and it is here 0, then 1, here 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we have to multiply clock and Q2. So this is 0, 1, and so on. Now when we multiply, so we can see that यहाँ पर the first it will be logic 1 at this point. So इस तरह से यहाँ पर, and for this much instant only, right, यहाँ पर, and after that it will be यहाँ पर at this point. So इस तरह से we draw. So this is the Q2 dot and clock, right, and then again it will be what is this instant, and so on. So this is at 1, and this is at 0, 0, and 0. Now after that, just we have to multiply this Q1 bar and this. So we have to multiply this and this to get the V0. So यहाँ पर it will be at 1 at this point only, right, for for this duration only, and after that it will be, so in fact this is the V0 only, because yes, this is the V0. So यहाँ पे this one, and यहाँ इस तरह से, so this is the V0, and now the time period of this V0 is this, because it is repeating after this. So this is the T total, and which we will calculate in terms of this T clock. So see this is the T clock. So this is 2 T clock, right? So it will be 2 times of T clock, and this is this much is simply T clock by, this is the half clock period. So it is T clock divided by 2. So this time period is T clock divided by 2. Now the duty cycle I should calculate here only. So the duty cycle will be T clock divided by 2. This is the T on, and upon 2 T clock. So it will be 1 by 4, which is 25%. So this is how we can calculate the duty cycle. So okay, thank you.